Hello guys, welcome to another video. I know it has been a minute, but I intend to come back to my channel and I would say that maybe my next 10 to 20 videos will be all about tutorials about this great app Davinci Resolve that just came out recently to the iPad and which will allow us to use almost all the functionalities from this amazing app Davinci Resolve in our iPad. But for most of us that are not used to work with it, it may be a bit haunted to go around the app. So I'm gonna go and do a few tutorials about it, and if you have any doubts only concerning the Davinci Resolve iPad app, well, leave me in the comments below and I'll try to do as many tutorials as I can. The Davinci Resolve app is a free app that you can download from the Apple Store. However, there's a paid version that you have to buy inside the app, a one-time purchase, but that will give you all the options available in the Davinci Resolve app. But I would say that for 90% of you, the free version is more than enough to achieve all your editing needs. But let's open the app. Today it's a short tutorial to show you how you can detach the audio or how you can have your audio separated from your video, and with that be able to more easily edit your videos, especially when you need to do some cut. And why do I do this small tutorial? Well, because when you open the Davinci Resolve app, if you see here, there are only two pages, the cut page and the color page. The desktop version has more pages, and actually you can also have it here in the iPad, but by default it only opens these two, at least for now, January of 2023. I have here already a video in my timeline, and as you see here, this area is the audio from the video, and I usually do my cuts looking at the audio. But it's very hard to do it here. The audio is very small and there's no way, at least I've tried every single way of just detaching the audio and put it in a track of its own, an audio track of its own. And that's because here in the cut page you are not able to do it by default. You're able to do it in the edit app, but not here. But there's a small workaround to get this done. So if you see here, I have these two icons, and this one, if I click on it, that will mean that if I bring some video to my timeline, right now I will bring only the audio of that video and not the video itself. In the other way, if I want to do some B-roll, if I select this icon here, I only will bring to the timeline the video and not the audio. So what I want to do is, once I have my video here, I have to do another extra step, which is selecting this icon of audio only and go to the same file. And now when I bring it to my timeline, as if you see here, it only brings the audio waves. So I'm gonna put it just beneath the video track, and look at that. Right now I have in a more visible way my audio available. This is much easier to see than this one. If you know any other way to do that, please let me know in the comments below, but I find that this is the best way to do it. And look at that, now I can do my cuts very easily and move on editing my video. Okay guys, hope you found this video useful. Remember, leave me in the comments below any other things that you'd like to know about Davinci Resolve for the iPad, so I can have some tutorials for you. Thank you, see you in my next video.